Hello guys, and today I'm going to teach you about Python turtle graphics. So to get started with, I'm just going to write. So we're going to do turtle graphics. So we have to write import turtle. You can write import turtle as anything. You can write import turtle as ghost, import turtle as your name, import turtle as a whatever. But I'm just going to write t. So if you can just write import turtle as well. You can as t means you can make a short form of it. Like then if you're writing import turtle as it is, then you'll have to write turtle. Like I'm writing t over here. I'm writing t dot you'll have to write turtle dot forward. If you write import turtle as a, you have to write a dot forward. So just keep this in mind. So I'm going to write t dot forward, and for the measurements I'm going to write 100. Yeah, and then I have to just go to run module. Put shapes as well. Like if I just put t dot circle, and in bracket it will be the radius of circle. I want its diameter to be 100, so I'll put the radius as 50. T dot circle 50, and then I'll press run. There you go, you get a circle. So now I want it to turn 90 degrees to the right. So I write t dot right. And then I'll put t dot forward. No, 200. Well, let's see what happens. Yeah, there you go. And then I'm gonna put t dot left angle 60. T dot forward angle not angle, distance, I'll take it as 100, and then I'll again run it. Okay, then I want it to want this thing to go back over here. So then I'll put t dot left. Did a spelling mistake. T dot left 360 degrees, which is you can also use t dot right 360 degrees because it won't really make a difference. Yeah, then I run it. I'm pressing F5 for running. Yeah, and then I'll put no, damn, I did a mistake. I have to put not 360, I have to put 180. Now then I'll put t dot forward 100. I did a mistake again. Yes, okay, let's see whether yeah. Now I wanted this thing to make a line like this. I'm just making those drawings we usually make, like a circle, like a baby, like the way we used to draw humans as we are babies. a circle lines for legs and all. I'm just gonna try that. Since this much was 60 degrees, since this much was 60 degrees, then this also should be 60 degrees. But from here to here, it will be 120 degrees. So this is 60, this is 60. So we will put T dot, wait, damn, T dot left 120, and then T dot forward 100. Let's run it and check. So then I'll write T dot left and then T dot then I'll run. Not sure what is gonna happen. Yeah, that was pretty good. But instead of 200, I'll just keep, instead of T dot forward 200, I'll just keep T dot forward 250. And let me check now. Yeah, this looks way better. Now I'll press T dot left 60, and then T dot forward 50. Now if I run it, yeah, T dot left 180, and then T dot forward 50, and then T dot right 120, and then T dot forward 50. Let me just check what. It seriously wasn't that great. have kind of made a person, but it looks really odd. So instead of 120, I'm gonna put 240 and then run. I need a bit more than 240, so I'll put 36. No, put 280. Ah, damn. Yeah, let me just try now. Well, what I'm left with is a very weird looking human. I'll just put this 50. Yeah, very weird looking human. Thank you everyone. And that's it from me today in this video. I hope you understood everything.